Hi guys, welcome to lesson 83. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Put your name on your paper. It says to draw a line segment that is 1 inch longer than the name line. So demonstrate. Let's see how long the name line is. So if you can see here, we've got 2 inches and then we're halfway. We're at the half inch mark. So 2.5 inches for my name line. So we want to draw a line that is an inch longer. So we're going to go, that's at my 2.5 inch mark. If I go 1 inch longer, from here to here is 1 inch. So I'm going to go to the 3.5 mark. Okay. Sorry, that's kind of messy. It says to draw and to go ahead and tell me how long the line segment is. So it's 3.5 inches. Okay. So go ahead and put your date. Today is March 5th, 2020. Alrighty, so it says number 1 that Stephanie visited her grandmother in Florida for 4 weeks last summer. How many days was Stephanie in Florida? So we have the number 4. We know that we've got 4 weeks. We want to know about days though. So we have to convert the week part into days. So for 1 week, we would have 7 days. But we want to do this times 4 because we're talking about 4 weeks here. And 4 times 7 is 28. So she was in Florida for 28 days. Okay. Shade the thermometer, number 2. Shade it to show 17 degrees. So, okay, I'm going to go way down here, and this is where I start. See, this is the coldest of the cold. Negative 30 means it's 30 degrees below 0. That's very cold. We do not want to experience that. We want to keep on rising. Okay, so I'm going to slow down. So now I'm at 10. Remember, let's see, this time we're not counting by 2s. If you look, there's several notches here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that would be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going to go right there and make sure this is all shaded in. You can do it with your pencil, that's okay. So it's the mercury, they call it it's a substance called mercury, or it used to be. And it will rise with the temperature, and it shows us an accurate temperature. All right, fill in the correct symbols here. So look, if we have 10, and then we do something to do with 5, and we end up with 5, we know that we're decreasing, and there's only 2 things we could do to decrease. That's subtract or divide. So let's try subtraction. Let's see if that'll fit in there. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Yes, I agree with that. Again, here I'm increasing, so we know it's very likely we're going to be adding or multiplying, but let's try the addition first. Is 7 plus 5 12? Why, yes it is. Now we're increasing here. The only other one that we increase with is multiplication. So let's test it out. 2 times 5 is 10. Yes. Again, now we're decreasing. We start with a large number. And in division, which is what this is, this will be our dividend, our divisor, and our quotient. Okay, so we divide. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. And that is true. All right, so when we get back to school, God willing, on the 15th, I cannot wait. we're going to go in depth over these more in depth, okay? These are Roman numerals, and I've got a chart in the classroom we're going to be looking over, and we're going to be learning when we come back. That first week, we're going to be going over a lot of this stuff. So for 15 would be XV, okay? For 26, it would be XXVI. Okay. How are these polygons the same? How are, and then how are they different? Sorry, guys. So how are they the same? Well, they're the same shape. And that's about it. They're more different than they are the same. The difference, well, they're different colors. Oops. They're different sizes, is how they're different. All right. Number 6 says the letter A is the 5th letter in a 7-letter word. So what I did is I put 7 little X's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So letter A is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I should have drawn little A's, huh? Didn't think about it. How many letters are before the A? So this is where our A is. Before, okay, before we're always going to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And after, how many are after? After means we're going to the right. We've got 1, 2. All right, and number 7. This is kind of a short worksheet today. But that's good. You guys deserve a break. Write $378.29 as you would on a check. Basically means we're going to write the word form. Basically, and then we're going to do a little something with this 29 cents. 300 Sorry about my sloppy writing. 370 $78. Sorry guys, Izzy just walked in trying to talk to me and left the garage door open. Okay, let me close that. All right, $78. I didn't mean to put the period. And this is how we do it on a check. You want to put the change over 100. So $378.29. Okay, on a check that means 29 cents. All right. So real quick, I just wanted to go to the back. So like I said, we'll be doing lessons on Roman numerals when we get back. We'll have our chart up that we can look at. So for this 17, we've got XVII. Basically what that is that the X is 10, the V is 5, so that's 10, 15, and then 2 more would be 17. Okay, so that's your Roman numeral for 17. And for 25, if X's are 10s, that would be 10, 20, and then the V is another 5. Okay? All right, guys. If you still need help on anything, please let me know. Hopefully you got it. And I will be looking forward to seeing you guys after spring break. All right, y'all be safe. Bye-bye.